Hi all, so today we are going to see how to make thumbnails for YouTube like this. So we are making this thumbnail with the help of a website called Gravit Designer. So let's start. To open the website, type gravit.io in your browser, page will open up. To get started, you should click start now. In this, you can see that a pop-up is here and you should enter the width and height of your canvas. If you want an infinite canvas, you should just click the create button and you can see that the canvas is appeared. To get started, you should import an image. For that, you should click on file and go to import and place image. And to outline the image, first you should select, I am going to highlight the monitor. For that, for accuracy, I am zooming in and using the pen tool, we are going to select it. And drawing just a rough sketch around the monitor. And if you want using a human, you should just click the button on your mouse and you should just outline it. After outlining, when you keep the cursor close to your starting point, you can see that a white dot is appeared next to your cursor. So when you click on that, you can see that your selected object is white, and to mask it, you should just click Ctrl and select and click modify and mask with shape. And you can see that the monitor is masked. And to draw outline, first you should select the cursor tool and you can see an option called borders. In this, you should select the desired color. I am choosing as yellow, and you can see that already a border has appeared. To make the border look thick, you can adjust the weight of your border here like 5, 10, etc. And to create a thumbnail, you need a background. For that, you can click on select shape tool and draw your desired shape. I am drawing a rectangle here, and you can see that the monitor is behind the rectangle. To make it come front, you should drag the rectangle layer to the back, and you can see that the monitor has appeared. And if you want to add color to a rectangle, you should click the rectangle layer, and in the fills option, you should click your desired color. You can make your own color by entering the hex code, or you can make the color by dragging the slider. And to add text, you should click the T button, and you can drag your text box, and you can type here. So you can customize the text by changing the color, adding bold, and changing font size, font, etc. And you can also change the alignment here. And you can also change the opacity of this text and opacity of every object you select. If you want to make thumbnails like this, image coming at the back of the rectangle, which is also visible. To do that, you should click on file and add another image. As you can see that I am using this image. To send back, you should drag and drop this layer behind the rectangle layer. You should select the rectangle and lower the opacity. As I am lowering the opacity, you can see that the image behind the rectangle is appearing. And at last, when you are done, you should click on file and you should export as PNG or JPEG at what format you want, and just click on that. You can see that a file is downloaded. To check that, you can go to your file explorer and you can see that a thumbnail is here. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.